there, Juliana Tomasek from julianatomasek.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste, and this is good for Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, a lot of other programs, Facebook, all over the internet. And what you're going to do is very simple, very easy, and what the goal is to get this right here copied, right? And then have several things of the exact same thing, right? So if you're trying to copy something, like copy a piece of text and put it, you can find on the internet and put it somewhere, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. But first, let's talk about how to do it, right? So you take your left mouse and you just click on it and hold it down and highlight everything that you want to copy. Then you're going to take your let go of the left mouse, and you're going to right click on it, and the second option is copy. So you're going to click on that, and then you can click on wherever you want to put it, and you can just right click and then paste. And wherever you want it, you can right click and paste, right? Now another way to do it would be, you could, let's just do this right here. You could highlight this, and you could do control, that's the CTRL, right? Control and the letter C. So control and C at the same time will copy something, and then go to where you want to paste that and do Control V as in Victor, right? So Control V, and that will paste it, right? Because it's on your clipboard. So the Control C will copy it and put it on your clipboard, and the Control V will paste it. Now the difference between the copy and paste and cut and paste is when you cut and paste, it erases it from, it cuts it out so you don't see it in its original place. For copy and paste, it's going to stay there. So let's take a look at the internet for a second, and let's find something on Google. Abraham Lincoln. And here's Abraham Lincoln Wikipedia. And suppose you wanted to copy these first two lines, okay? So you could take your mouse right here in front of the A, click there, you hold it down, and highlight the whole thing that you want to copy. Let go, right? And then you're going to, so that was left click, I'm sorry. And then you're going to right click on it, and you can copy it. And you can see you could also Control C, right? Either way. So if you click copy or Control C, and then you go back to your document, I can right click here, and I can click paste, and voila, there you go. So now I can, maybe I was gonna make a book report and I needed some information. Of course, don't plagiarize, folks, but it'll give me information. Maybe I was gonna talk about it and give a speech on Abraham Lincoln. It gives me some information, and instead of looking at 10 different places on the internet, I can take those 10 different places and put information on my page, and then use it for my speech. So, hope this was helpful to you, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my videos. I have all kinds of little tips and goodies and social media hacks and computer hacks, Facebook hacks. All right? And don't forget to see me on julianatomasek.com. You take care.